Make sure you shop smapparel.com. Get you a DRVN hat. Get you a Driven shirt, Driven tee. Also, shout out to all the veterans, those that are active duty. Look, shout out to you guys, because at the end of the day, I was a veteran. I just recently got out. I know how hard it is when you talk about mental. So, yeah, Hitch is basically done. I just got to tighten it up. So at the end of the day, I'm going to end the video. At the end of the day, so stressful. Moving is so stressful. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you stay motivated. Stay serious. I appreciate you guys for watching. Shop smapparel.net. Make sure you watch an ad or two for it. Just go back and watch an ad or two. Stay motivated. Why so serious? And you screw in the bolt. I'm gonna show you guys on the other side, but as you see, I already got this baby in. All I have to do is tighten it up, but I have to do the other side first. So let's go ahead and get this done. For those that think you have to take off the spare, you do not. To put on a
What's so serious? Let's get it, man. Lanes, serious, lanes, serious, lanes, serious, lanes, serious, serious, lanes, serious, lanes, serious, lanes, serious, serious, lanes, serious, 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 just calm down.
Why so serious? What's going on, guys? It's your guy SeriousMindset, and we are back with another video. And today is a special video because let me wipe my eye boogers, because I know I got eye boogers. Why so serious? First and foremost, shout out to the vets. Hey, if you serving in the military or actively serving in the military, or if you're a veteran, hey, shout outs to you. Kudos, thank you for your service. As you see, I was a military service member. Now I'm a veteran. Anyway, and of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Make sure you on the post notifications. What else did I miss? Oh, and make sure you drop that fire emoji right after Why So Serious. I greatly appreciate it. But nevertheless, it is a very special day because we are getting close to that. Oh shoot, I'm about to hit this dude's car. Note to self, make sure you're in the right drive mode. We are close to due date, which is leaving the great state of Washington. He out there getting that. He out there getting it. He out there getting it. Get it, get it, get it. But anyway, we are several days out, and I am tired. I'm tired. I am tired. I'm tired. I'm trying to be calm. I'm trying to be cool. I'm trying to be very, 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 very calm. A lot of anxiety moving, considering the fact that the military is not helping move this because of they're saying they're backlogged for whatever reason or whatever. I don't know. But that puts more of an anxiety in my mental aspect. But we are about to put the trailer hitch on the Ram truck so we can tow. See that thing? You see that thing? So we can tow. We can tow what? So we can tow the wide body. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna walk through the Ram because this is a 2-door Ram. So we're gonna walk through that and get that thing going. So stay tuned, guys. I appreciate you guys for staying intact. I appreciate everybody that's been throughout the whole journey of the Why So Serious movement and Washington State alone. I greatly appreciate the support. Everybody that's been following the movement or whatnot. Like I said, it's all positivity. At the end of the day, that's what I'm all about, and I'm all about growth too. And make sure you shop smapparel.net. Make sure you follow my guy El Fucio. Shop grindeverydaylivingapparel.com as well. So stay tuned. Let me go ahead and get going. Watch those ears. Alright guys, so we have everything that we need for this actual hitch. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I am like I'm beat. I'm trying to find the energy to get going. And usually vlogging gets me going or whatnot. Once I start turning on the camera, I get a little tend to be a little lively or whatnot. But I'm not gonna lie to you. This actual move is a little bit stressful or whatnot. So anyway, let's go ahead and get to it. So the first things first, we have to get down and get that spare tire off from the videos I've been seeing, so we can actually put the hitch going through on this actual steel frame. So I had to order, when I got the truck years ago, it didn't have this actual haul kit or whatever you want to call it. So I ordered this from Amazon. So we're gonna go ahead and extend that out, get that going, and let's go. So this is gonna be the first time that I actually a little cockpit that I'm actually getting this spare tire down. So what I have to do is I have to loosen this deal up right here, so lefty loosey. So it look like I'm gonna have to spray some WD-40 or something, because this spare tire never came off. So let me go ahead and get that down, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put everything together, and then we're gonna put all the little stuff together to hit. Let me see what it's gonna hit. I don't know how far that goes, but it's a little, yeah, so I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like a little locking system. I think it's with this. I don't know, but we gotta turn, and then hopefully the spare tire drops. So stay tuned. I'll update you guys as we go. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna be honest. I'm a little amplified, because now I gotta get off my lazy horse, because I was being very relaxed about this move, considering the fact that we had hired movers. But since the movers fell through, long story short, you know, the company that we went with or tried to establish ourselves with their services, I got the AC cranked up too. Basically they're a broker company, so watch out when you actually hiring people, make sure that they're the actual company and they're not the broker. So I should have known that, but I was just like, man, whatever, you know what I mean? This is my last move. Yes, the Army. So since I'm out the Army, I have to facilitate coming up front with the actual cost, and then on the back end I have to email the Army with all the documents, and they're going to reimburse us. So that's the great gist of it. The problem is all the footwork, right? So since the Army is not helping with the footwork due to, I guess, people passing out with COVID and, you know, whatever it is, a work people shortage or whatever it is, you know, they basically push back dates or whatnot for orchestrating a government move. That would have been a great move, but we're not trying to stay longer in Washington than what we have to. But anyway, there is a specific piece, and I'm gonna show you guys. There's a specific piece. So if you own a older Ram truck or even a Ram 1500 Classic, if you try to put in that spare, those black pieces that I showed you guys, you're not going to be able to get it. Look, everybody on YouTube like, yeah, connector, oh, yeah, connector. Look, no. You got to have a key connected to that joker, man. So I don't know how these people are freaking turning this thing and the spare tires coming out. I don't know. At the end of the day, they making it happen, but it ain't happening for me. So at the end of the day, I'm going to Tacoma Dodge to go pick up this one key that they're the only one within the area that have it. So I told the guy, hey man, put it on hold for me, bruh. Put it on hold for me, bruh. and I'm gonna miss this light thanks to this car, man. If you gonna come over, oh man. But the time, the clock, everything is ticking, man. We trying to get out, man. But at the end of the day, you know, it's a lot. It's a lot. So I'm trying to keep that positive mindset. Stay cool, stay cordial, do all that other stuff. But man, I ain't gonna lie to you, it's a little bit harder than said. So at the end of the day, guys, stay tuned. I appreciate you guys for watching me go off. Trying to work on that consistency factor and show you guys that, you know, it's not all peaches and cream. So this is the headache part, right? Turn this clicker off. But stay tuned, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Oh, there you go. Come on. Stay tuned. What's so serious?
Much later.
All right, I figured it out. So I did not need the key to take off. So first and foremost, I didn't have to take off the spare. As you see, the spare is still there, and I already partially have the hitch on there. By the way, look at the towing capacity, 5K. The wide body is somewhere between 4,000 change. But this is not tightened yet because I have this in store to hold it in place. And then let me show you guys, because I went ahead and did one. Shout out to the dealer, part service guy. He looked out for me. All right. So what you do is you fish. Hold on. Wait a minute. Where am I? So you fish in the wire here, come out, and then it sits right here. You put in the flat, and then you screw in the bolt. I'm gonna show you guys on the other side, but as you see, I already got this baby in. All I have to do is tighten it up, but I have to do the other side first. So let's go ahead and get this done. For those that think you have to take off the spare, you do not. To put on a hitch for the Ram 1500, well, for mine being a 2011 Ram, but a lot of work. So now we are going to, so we're going to take this baby off. This is the actual Curt supply wire. So I'll take this baby off here. Now the screw part, which is here, goes inside there, right? So you guys see that? So it goes in there. So I'm fishing it through. Then you should see it pop out. Some bit of it. Alright. So now we have the actual line here with the wire here. So now what we do is we put this in there like so. Alright. See that? You don't have to push it in, it's all up to you. And then you get your trusty bolt. Then you put your bolt on there, so you can actually screw the thread of the bolt like so. I'm gonna recommend going full-fledged because I went full-fledged on the opposite side and it was hell. So that's in there, and then what I would do is I'm just gonna pull. See, now we're just gonna pull. Wow, if that gets stuck in there, oh, there we go. I was about to say, if that gets stuck in there, I'm in trouble. Alright. Now that's in there. So the only thing is, make sure that that's fully in there, right? You spin that out. Then voila. And then you get your screw here. And then you gently put it in. Voila. And then now you should be golden. Let's go ahead and screw on your deal. So this one is giving me hell. So as you see, it's basically on there. Now I just gotta tighten it up. So yeah, Hitch is basically done. I just gotta tighten it up. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna end the video. At the end of the day, so stressful. Moving is so stressful. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you stay motivated. Stay serious. I appreciate you guys for watching. Shop smapparel.net. Make sure you watch an ad or two for it. Just go back and watch an ad or two. Stay motivated. Watch those hairs.
Let's get it, man.